Integrating Asana with Google Sheets automates the transfer of task data for tracking, reporting, and analysis, cutting down on manual data entry. Asana stores your project data, including tasks, projects, and teams. Google Sheets organizes tabular data for analysis. The connection uses APIs to move data between the two platforms. Authentication is secured with OAuth 2.0 for safe access. Triggers in Asana, like a new task, can initiate actions in Sheets, such as adding a new row. Data mapping ensures that fields like task name from Asana correctly populate the corresponding sheet columns. You can integrate with native Asana developer tools or third-party tools such as Zapier. This tutorial uses Zapier because it's beginner-friendly. First, set up API access by getting an Asana personal access token. Next, in Zapier, create a Zap. This is the automation workflow. Connect your Asana account and Google Sheets account to Zapier. Set Asana as the trigger, for example, when a new task is created in Asana. Set Google Sheets as the action, for example, create spreadsheet row. Map the Asana task fields, like task name and due date, to the correct columns in your Google Sheet. Test the Zap to make sure the data transfers correctly. Finally, turn on the Zap to automate the process. Remember, Asana's API allows 150 requests per minute per user. You may want to upgrade your plan to handle more.